This is a Boy 3 gaming video, and today we are going to be doing drone versus Nerf guns.
Yep.
So I bet it's going to be really hard with no automatic guns. But yeah. Okay. There's the drone. I think we will have the footage of the drone and the GoPro.
Yeah. What?
What do you want to start?
I don't know.
That gun? Or that gun? That gun or that gun or this gun? This gun has extra ammo. So. Ready, Bo?
Hold on, let me put this. What the heck now? Okay.
Setting this gun, guys.
Okay. Now we record.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1, go!
Let's do this.
Lift off. Oh no!
Oh yeah. Hold on, let me get this.
No. I'm actually a pretty good shot. Give him fire! Dang. Got it.
You hit me.
Oh, don't hit me.
Okay, this is a little confusing.
Ah!
I'm not gonna hit you.
Oh, shit. Whoa! No, I'm out of bullets.
Shoot it!
No jet. No, no, I'm in this. How to fly, Bo.
Okay. Let me just.
Jet, don't shoot.
Can I shoot it? Okay.
No jet, I have it.
Why can I shoot it? Hit.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
What? Didn't shoot?
Ouch.
Fly it.
Ooh.
Oh!
Almost got me. Can I shoot it?
Go up a little higher than that.
Hi guys!
No!
Oh, really? Oh, I know. Oh! I almost skinned it.
Keep going.
That was. Why would you do that, Jackson? Oh,
Oh, what the heck?
can I shoot it? Can I shoot it?
Right now I am. Move a little. This gun sucks.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Ow!
I'm gonna shoot it. Can I shoot it, Bob? No. Oh! Ow! Come get me there, Jackson. It probably landed in Papa.
God, this gun sucks.
Oh! You made it right here. You hit me. Well, at least you have. It's bad that you don't have your glasses on. I think you're probably gonna lose.
Go, Bo. Bye.
Can I shoot it? Ow! Can I shoot it now?
No, not over again.
Yeah, it does. Can I shoot it?
Oh, this is from another foot.
I didn't get to shoot it. Got it! I was trying to hit the camera.
How about 2 more hits, then it's dead on the wings? I'd go. Now I can move around. Give me my other gun. Bo, you can move now too.
Oh no.
Keep flying. What the heck? No jet.
I got it.
No jet.
Reload. Jeez. Oh! You got 2 more hits. Ah. Oh, look at that blade. It's really spinning.
No, it is actually.
There we go. Oh, I hit the blade. You're gonna one more hit on one of the blades. You're gonna cut the bullets.
I think I'm out of bullets. Yeah, I'm out.
Okay.
Here, I can quick use bullet.
Ooh. One more hit. No more.
Keep flying, keep flying.
No more balls.
I hate when that happens.
Using all the guns. Now they're all out. She gone.
Okay.
There's bullets in here.
I know. That will be the end of the video. Say bye.
Bye bye.
See ya.
See ya.